Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to review if, elif, and else statements in Python in 1 minute. So first of all, we're going to ask the user to enter a number. We're going to use the input function to read the input number by the user, but input function can return only the input number by the users in string. So we need to wrap it with the int function in order to make the conversion between from a string to an integer, and all of this is assigned to a variable called num. Then first of all, we're going to check if the number is larger than 0. So if the number is larger than 0, we're going to print this message. Please note the indent. So we're having the number is positive. But what if the number is not larger than 0 but it is equal to 0? In this situation, we're going to use the elif keyword. So if the number equals 0, we're going to print this one. And if neither of these two conditions is true, we're going to go for the else part and we print the number is negative. Thanks for watching.